I first created a base with the SFX cream colour in yellow, building up a few layers to get a really intense colour. Then I used the SFX cream colour in orange around the face as a contour. After filling in my brows with the micro brow pencil in black, I took the burnt orange from the Ultimate Brights palette to darken the outer corner of the eyes. Taking the Little Lingerie in Bad to the Bone, I applied it as a base for the highlight, for which I used the Glitter Brilliance pigment in Ice. Next I'm using Bad to the Bone underneath the eyes to create the illusion of bigger eyes. Then using the SFX cream colour in blue, I painted the spots, varying them in shape and size so they look more natural and organic. I also took that on the centre of the lips and applied the Glitter Brilliance pigment in violet. I used the Epic ink liner to create a dramatic wing, then the white liquid liner to add tiny rings inside the blue spots. Then I used the Worth the Hype mascara just to darken the lashes. After that, I'm using a combination of the SFX and Vivid Brights cream colours to paint an ocean scene. I wanted this to have a kind of soft, watercolour-like effect to go with the underwater theme. For lashes, I used the styles Drama Queen and Amplified stacked on top, and Lay 'em on Me on the bottom. I sculpted these tentacles out of a lightweight clay and I love them. If you look closely you can see that the black spots change colour. I was inspired by the way that some octopuses can camouflage. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed my Animal Kingdom glam look.